In this video, I'll be highlighting 10 small crossover SUVs renowned for their exceptional long-term reliability. These are vehicles that you can own for an extended period without incurring substantial costs on maintenance and repairs. The reliability information in this video is sourced from reputable outlets such as Consumer Reports, iSeeCars.com, Car Help Canada, and data from experienced mechanics who regularly work on these vehicles. Before we dive into the list, if you find value in this video, consider subscribing. Starting off our list at number 10 is the Honda CR-V. Although it takes the bottom spot in this list, the CR-V remains a well-designed SUV and a compelling option to consider. One of its standout features is its practicality and space efficiency, offering ample passenger room and a generous cargo area. The interior is not only spacious but also well-crafted, featuring excellent build quality, user-friendly controls, and a thoughtfully designed infotainment system. On the road, the CR-V excels with a great balance between handling and ride comfort. It provides flexibility with two drivetrain options, a 1.5 turbo four-cylinder engine with a CVT in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive, or a fuel-efficient hybrid variant. Moreover, the CR-V boasts a strong reputation for reliability, low repair costs, and maintaining high resale value. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term ownership or for those looking to trade in after a few years and still recoup a significant portion of their investment. While the CR-V offers great value, its placement at the bottom of the list is influenced by pricing considerations. In 2023, Honda increased the pricing considerably, making it less competitive compared to other SUVs in the segment. Nevertheless, if you have a preference for the CR-V, especially the hybrid variant, it remains an excellent choice. At number 9, we have the Subaru Crosstrek, a highly popular subcompact crossover in the market. If you're comfortable with a smaller-sized SUV that prioritizes maneuverability over extensive interior space, the Crosstrek is an excellent choice. Subaru's renowned symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive system makes the Crosstrek a capable small crossover, delivering a pleasant ride. You can opt for either a 2.0-liter or a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with a CVT. The larger 2.5-liter engine offers more power and a more comfortable driving experience. While the interior may not be the most spacious in its segment, the Crosstrek makes up for it with a user-friendly layout and controls. It comes with a comprehensive list of active safety features through Subaru Eyesight. Coupled with its strong reputation for reliability, high resale value, and attractive pricing, the Crosstrek stands out as a compelling choice. Even with an all-new design set for 2024, arriving in the second half of 2023, the differences from the outgoing Crosstrek may not be drastic. Therefore, whether you opt for the current model or the upcoming version, you can expect a great vehicle. Moving on to the next crossover, we have the Mazda CX-30. Similar to the Crosstrek, the CX-30 caters to those seeking a smaller-size crossover without a strong emphasis on expansive interior space. Mazda has built a reputation for crafting reliable and well-built vehicles, making the CX-30 an excellent choice for long-term ownership with minimal repair costs. Contrasting with the Crosstrek, the CX-30 boasts a more stylish exterior and a more upscale interior, leaning slightly towards the luxury side. On the road, the CX-30 excels in driving dynamics, featuring excellent handling and robust power from either a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine or a 2.5 turbo that generates up to 250 horsepower. Standard all-wheel drive and a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission instead of a CVT add to its appeal, catering to preferences of many buyers. In summary, the CX-30 stands out as a stellar choice for a compact SUV. However, if you're leaning towards a more spacious option, let's explore the next SUV on the list. Number 7, Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V stands out for its strong points, much like its larger counterpart, the CR-V, with its key strengths lying in practicality and spaciousness. It is one of the most spacious subcompact crossovers available, providing a significant edge over its competitors. In addition to its ample space, the HR-V boasts a well-designed interior, featuring quality craftsmanship and a straightforward control setup with a wealth of features and active safety technology. The driving experience is comfortable and enjoyable, thanks to good handling and decent performance from a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine. While it may not dazzle with high performance, The HR-V is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable SUV without the burden of high repair costs. Despite its relatively high pricing, the HR-V compensates with strong resale value, attributed to its robust reputation for reliability. However, for those seeking an SUV that offers even better value for money, let's turn our attention to number 6 on the list, the Subaru Forester. The Forester is a top choice for individuals seeking a well-designed, reliable SUV that won't break the bank in repair costs. Known for its reliability, the Forester also distinguishes itself as one of the safest and most capable SUVs in its segment. Equipped with Subaru's symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive and a comprehensive suite of safety features through Subaru EyeSight, the Forester ensures a secure driving experience. This SUV is practical, offering abundant passenger and cargo space, coupled with a straightforward control setup and infotainment system. While the Forester offers excellent value, it does have a minor drawback in the performance department. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine lacks significant power, constituting the primary concern raised by owners. Moving on to number 5 on the list, we have the Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that stands out for its exceptional design, performance, handling, and features, offering great value for the money. Whether you opt for the CX-5 or its closely related counterpart, the CX-50, both deliver a well-rounded SUV experience. The CX-5 is a standout value with engine options including a 2.5 four-cylinder and a 2.5 turbo, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Even with the base engine, the CX-5 performs admirably and boasts a surprisingly upscale interior with excellent build quality, creating an impression of a more expensive vehicle. Similarly, the CX-50, being slightly larger than the CX-5, caters to those prioritizing practicality. In either case, you're getting a reliable SUV with a strong reputation for reliability. You can make a similar statement about SUV number 4 on the list, the Toyota Corolla Cross. If you're looking for a small SUV that excels in reliability, fuel efficiency, safety, and offers outstanding value, the Corolla Cross is a stellar choice. As one of the most affordable SUVs on the market, the Corolla Cross doesn't compromise on practicality, delivering a decent amount of interior and cargo space. Packed with features, a robust infotainment system, and numerous safety features under Toyota Safety Sense, it offers a compelling package. The base 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine may not be thrilling, but it is fuel efficient. Alternatively, the Corolla Cross Hybrid provides even better fuel economy and a significant power boost, reaching around 192 horsepower. Ultimately, the Corolla Cross stands out for its unmatched value, considering its fuel economy, reliability, and the extensive features it offers at its price point. Yet, Toyota doesn't stop at the Corolla Cross. SUV number 3 also makes a strong case in their lineup, which is the Toyota Venza, reintroduced to the market in 2021 with a distinctive twist. It's exclusively available as a hybrid SUV, a notable and positive characteristic. Toyota has a well-established reputation for producing the most reliable hybrids in the market, a legacy spanning over 2 decades. The Venza benefits from this reliable hybrid system, combining proven durability with impressive fuel efficiency, achieving up to 40 miles per gallon or 6 liters per 100 kilometers. Performance is a strong suit, delivering up to 219 horsepower, equipped with standard all-wheel drive. The interior is spacious and well-appointed, featuring a plethora of desirable features and technology. Notably, it boasts one of the largest touchscreen infotainment systems in its segment, utilizing Toyota's latest multimedia interface. Collectively, the Venza emerges as one of the top SUVs available for its price. If you appreciate the offerings of the Venza but desire a touch of luxury, let's proceed to number 2 on the list, the Lexus NX. Renowned for its robust reputation for reliability, the Lexus NX stands out as a very dependable and well-built luxury SUV. Offering a variety of desirable options, the NX caters to different preferences. For those seeking performance, the NX 350 comes equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, providing up to 274 horsepower. Alternatively, if fuel efficiency is a priority, the NX offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, with the NX 350h standing out as a particularly attractive choice. This model utilizes the same hybrid system found in the Toyota Venza, delivering a blend of performance and fuel savings. In essence, opting for the Lexus NX ensures a luxurious SUV experience with strong reliability. However, if you're seeking similar benefits but at a more affordable price point, the top-ranked SUV on our list may be the ideal choice. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 claims the top spot as the number 1 SUV on our list. Recognized for its safety and reliability, the RAV4 is often lauded as one of the safest and most dependable SUVs available. Its track record boasts strong reliability and low repair costs, whether you opt for the standard engine or the hybrid variant. The standard RAV4 features a naturally aspirated 2.5 four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, available in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations. However, the hybrid version, employing a 219-horsepower hybrid system, is particularly noteworthy. This system, shared with Lexus and the Toyota Venza, ensures not only excellent performance and reliability, but also exceptional fuel efficiency. Beyond its drivetrain options, the RAV4 offers a practical and spacious interior, abundant active safety features, a straightforward control setup, and an impressive infotainment system. The RAV4's outstanding value is reflected in its strong resale value and enduring popularity as the most popular and best-selling crossover SUV. With this, we conclude the list of the 10 most reliable small SUVs. If you were to choose, which one of these SUVs would you prefer, or do you have another favorite in mind? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.